Want to try out the simplest recipe of making mango pickles? Let's show you how to do it. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make spicy achar or pickle. So we have got some mangoes and we are going to make pickle out of this mangoes. It's a very simple and easy to make recipe that this is perfected by my mother. So let's see how's it made. Come on. To make a mango pickle, the first ingredient is half a kilo of mangoes. Mangoes, we'll be cutting it into smaller pieces. Now we have cut our mangoes into small pieces, and next we are going to add some salt. We have added 2 teaspoons of salt to make a mango pickle. Next we need to mix the salt as well as the mangoes together. And we mix them thoroughly. We have kept our mango that we have cut along with the salt marinated for half an hour. We are doing this because the salt can mix along with the mango. So the taste is also there. Also, if the mango is too sour, then we can even dispose of the water that falls out after this. Now to roast our fenugreek, we place it on a frying pan and then continue to roast our fenugreek until they are brown in color. We need to add the mustard now, and we are placing 1 teaspoon of mustard and mixing and roasting it along with the fenugreek seeds. Now we wait for the mustard to splutter. Now we switch off the stove and our fenugreek and mustard seeds are roasted raw. Next we place this ingredients into a mixie. Fenugreek seeds are ground and along with the mustard. Next we need to keep it aside before we add the rest of the ingredients. The next we place a clean saucepan. The saucepan is hot. We need to pour some gingerly oil, which is around half a cup. This is to mix the ingredients. Next we wait for the oil to get heated. Oil is hot. We need to add 1 teaspoon of mustard. We wait for the mustard to splutter, and it's spluttering right now. Now the oil is hot and the mustard has spluttered. Next we have chopped 1 inch ginger. We'll be placing 1 inch ginger into the pan for frying. Next we have chopped around 3 to 4 chilies that we will be adding. Here we have taken around 2 whole garlic. So we have chopped it, and this too we will be adding it along with the other ingredients. Next we need to fry them. Continue to stir the ingredients until they are slightly cooked. The ingredients are cooked. Next we need to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next we add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This gives the color as well as the taste for the pickle. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. The next we add the ground fenugreek and mustard seeds. Now we have added the mangoes that we have marinated with salt. We mix it along with the other ingredients and masalas. Next we add 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. We mix all these ingredients together. Next we are adding 3 tablespoons of vinegar. This will give a slightly tangy taste to our pickle. Now we have poured our vinegar. Vinegar is used to give a little sour taste to our pickle, as well as it helps to preserve the pickle for some time. The final ingredient to be added is 3 teaspoons of sugar, which we will sprinkle across. This will give a little taste to our pickle. Now we mix all these ingredients together. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the taste of a pickle. Also keep it in mind that we have added salt previously while mixing the salt with the mangoes. So this is just done for the improvement of the taste. Pickle is ready to be served, and if you want to eat it today or you want to consume it today, you can cover the lid of the pan and let it cook for some more time. then you can have it today itself. Else it's better to put it in a bottle and keep it preserved so that we can have it slowly and enjoy the taste of a mango pickle. We hope you like watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. Well, if you found how to make this mango pickle recipe easier, please share it with your friends so they too can make this recipe. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications regarding videos. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.